I am so excited. Oh wait, I'm so excited that I forgot to do my intro. So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So, there's a new house in Adopt Me. It's the scary house. So I'm gonna get it right now. Let's buy it. I've been saving up for this house. I'm sure it's gonna be so big inside. Like I heard it's gonna be big, right? Right. Let's get it. And it's only 1,800. Wow, that's actually cheap. Wow, it's so big. Like, why is it all boarded up? No windows, no nothing. It's all boarded up. No windows. Oh wait, there are windows. I think there are. Oh yeah, there are windows up there. But they're boarded up. I don't need that. Well, oh no, a dead bird. Oh no, who killed this bird? Tell me. No, why did you kill this bird? No. Oh, thank God the door is open. At least the door is open. All the windows are closed. Ooh, we have a table, chair, some skulls. I'm not gonna eat skulls, okay? Oh, a little hot spring. Ooh, my mommy cat can take a bath there. Wow, it's not a hot spring. It's like a potion brewing thing, you know? And this light, we can turn it off and on. Wow. Ooh, we have some skulls, a chair. I don't want to eat skulls, okay? I've told you, Johnny. No skulls, please. There's the dragon thing, and there are more chairs. Oh, there's a basement. I'll go there later. Yep, exactly. Oh, there's a bed here. Oh, only babies and pets can use it. Okay, it's a pet bed and a baby bed, whatever. 2 mushrooms. Ooh, and take my mommy cat. I don't have all the pets yet. Oh yeah, I do have the evil. Someone gave it to me, evil dog. Who else called it evil dog? I can't. Like what? Who would say? Yeah, the red matches it perfectly, right? I know, right? And by the way, I'm doing a voiceover because the audio got cut it out. So yeah. Oh, I even have the scorpion. I thought I only had the evil dog and this mom cat. Ooh, wow! I can like make this a cute little area. This is. Oh, I told you it's gonna be big. Okay, you know. I can make this a cute little area. There's no furniture there. Okay. Oh, my cat is thirsty. I'll get a water later. Up here. Ooh. Okay. A shower. That's acid, okay? Mom cat, you're not going in that shower, okay? Nuh-uh. A little crib. Oh, wow. Spiderweb crib. You can go in there. Wow. You're pretty in there. That suits you. Oh, a refrigerator. A coffin refrigerator. Okay. I'll get rid of that later. Let's go up here. Oh, a bed. This must be a bed for me, right? Oh, wow, it's a bed for me. Exactly, just as I thought. Okay, now down here. Let's see these furnitures. Ooh, we have the small potion. Oh no, I can't read it from the voiceover thing. So yeah. And we have food and water bowls. Oh, the food and water bowls are actually right over there. I didn't see it when I was recording this. Stay out signs. Wooden. I can't read it from here because it's kind of glitchy, you know. So yeah. There's a stay out signs. Let's see what's this. Oh, this is called. Oh, this thing. This bird is called. I forgot what the bird is called. Raven. It's a raven. Wow. That's all. Most of the furniture is already out in my house, you know? You get it? Okay. We have this little thingy. Oh, it goes there, right? No, I don't think so it goes there. Maybe it goes on the floor? Yeah, it goes on the floor. Oh, no. Totally not. It doesn't go on the floor. Yeah, I'm sure it goes here. Or maybe in the roof, maybe. No, not in the roof. Oh, yeah, here. Yeah, it stays there. Okay, I'll just keep it there. Or maybe I'll just get rid of it because it looks weird, you know? Okay, there we go. Now, let's see. Any more stuff? Ooh, food and water bowl. I already have those. Actually, just realized that. Okay. Food and water bowl. Ooh, my mommy cat is drinking from a pumpkin water bowl. Okay. Anyways, now. Okay, thanks for the money, Adami. Okay, so. Yeah, I guess that's all for this house, right? Yeah, that's all. There's nothing else in this house. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye!